Phoenix, my 2023 Chevy Colorado ZR2 Desert Boss. Today I'm going to be doing a couple quick mods on her. First mod's going to be real quick, real easy. It's going to be putting the floor mats in. Yay. The next mod is going to be putting on the tonneau cover. The Desert Boss edition with the sports bar. It's got a there's only one tonneau cover on Chevy parts available that are compatible with the sports bar. So I'm putting that one on. It's a soft roll-up, which I think is going to be just fine. And it's going to meet my needs and my purposes perfectly. And I'm going to test that out later on today. Which I'll do in another video, which will be my Napier tent and annex on it, to see how that goes on the back and how it integrates. I'm able to put it on with the tonneau cover still on there and everything else. So that's going to be today. So let's see how Phoenix looks when I'm done. The tonneau cover on. It wasn't that difficult once I got my head out of you know where a couple times, but went on fairly easy. A lot of common sense with the parts, and went on nice, fairly tight. I can adjust that to make it tighter, and I think I might. I'm not sure if I'm going to need to put anything here. I did put stuff on the bulkhead to seal that. I'm not sure if we're going to need anything here to keep water out, because it does have this seal right here. It is pretty nifty the way it secures down in there. There's a tab here on the driver's side. You just pull that back and it unlocks, and then you can roll it up. And then you get it back in. It took me a couple seconds to realize you want to go right in there. Put that there. Get this one on the same spot. You hear it click down and you're good. So that's that. I really did enjoy not really need, but the carpeted floor mats I took out and put in the mat and the liner, front mat and the rear liner. They were good to kneel on while I was back on this. Although the bed liner on this, the Chevy bed liner is much easier to kneel on, stand on, whatever, and bare feet and bare knees than like a Line X, or I've got a Herculiner roll-on that I did on my own on the Zombie Pod, and that is ridiculously grainy. In no way I would ever have attempted what I just did without something like that. So up front I did get the floor mats. I wish I'd got the liners. I'm probably going to get the liners sooner or later. And up front, the mats, they do cover nicely. They fit really well. They look good. But I'll probably be selling these and going from there with them. We'll see. And then in the back, I did do the whole floor liner, which really looks really good. And they were fairly easy. I didn't realize it is a two-piece. You got to get this right here connected, but it's so easy, even I can do it. So this is Phoenix, and this is how she looks today. I'm going to be moving her around back here. I'm behind my townhouse right now. I don't have a garage or anything, and it's hot. It's in the 80s and beating down sun right now, and I'm going to be seeing what I could do as far as I'm going to try. I got the Napier tents that I'm going to be putting on her, and we'll see what happens and how they fit and integrate with everything here. It's going to require me rolling the tonneau cover back just like it would if I was camping, putting the bed mount tent up, and then from there putting the annex onto it and seeing how well that marries up to it. So you can see this is going to be an area that's going to need some attention. Make sure that you seal that down and the Velcro goes really tight there. So that's that. I'm going to be closing things up here and picking up my trash, bringing that inside where I can recycle it this week, and then from there I'm going to bring out the tents and see how they go. So there we go. Chevy tonneau cover mounted.